Okay, we have an Arizona iced tea can. We're gonna put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. First, you have to crush it up. Then second, put it in the microwave. Third, shut the door. Fourth, press 5 minutes.
Watch what happens.
Nope, wait. Piece of shit!
I think we may have fried it. Oh!
Oh, don't drop my beer, man! Don't drop it!
Hold on a second. This thing's being... There we go. It's sick. Oh my god, that is sick.
Just a minute, kids. We're gonna put 2 of them in there.
Alright, restart time. Oh shit, it's smoking like a bastard. I'm gonna take a couple seconds.
Oh, it's not smoking. They're tastes like
Hold on. Oh, there we go. Oh shit! It's like having a light come out of the bottom of it.
Oh, damn it!
Oh fuck, that was amazing.
Oh no! Oh!
Whoa! That was sick.
It's like a glowing light bulb.
Oh! Is this tinfoil?
I think it's plastic. Did it feel like plastic?
Yeah, kind of like tinfoil too. If it will do anything else, probably won't. Oh, there we go. Oh shit! Oh! Wow!
Wow, Zeus.
Hit it again, Chris.
Hit that side now. Oh god, you should see the inside of that bottle.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it smells like shit. Hardcore. So like somebody smoking pot.
It's the paint, probably.
Oh, it's on fire.
Oh, okay.
Alright, 30 more seconds. We'll show you the aftermath.
Fans, the smell is so horrible. I have to stop it before the 5 minutes is up.
Oh, damn. I need something to get it out. It's probably hot as hell. Oh! Oh my god, look at those cans.
Okay, let's stop the video.
Sit down, nigga.
I was sweating my balls off.